This is so good. Hi, you guys, it's Connie. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to be making some chicken spaghetti, chicken tetrazzini, whatever you guys want to call it. And I can't wait to show you how to make it. It's so yummy. Okay, let's get started. What I do first is I boil my water and put my spaghetti noodles in there. And then I take about a half a package of this because it's just the two of us and we love this dish for leftovers. But what I do with my noodles is I break them in half and just put them down in my boiling water. Once my water has boiled, I will turn the burner off and I'm going to just put my lid on this and I'm going to let my noodles get soft while I show you how to make this yummy goodness to go inside. So what we do first with this dish is you're going to need a skillet and you're going to need 1 stick of butter. And we are just going to put this butter in and start letting that melt. Now, for the chicken part, you can boil your chicken. You can buy a rotisserie chicken. I have chose to buy the rotisserie chicken. Actually, I already had one because what I do with mine is I buy them ahead of time. And what we don't use, I just freeze it. And then when I get ready to make a dish like this, I have the chicken already made. So I had 2 chicken breasts. And what I've done is I have chopped up 1.5 of the chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken that you choose. So we are going to let this butter melt. And then I've got 1 small onion and 1 small bell pepper. And what I've done with it is I've chopped them up. And I am just going to see if I can get this put in here and let these start sauteing in the butter. Okay, so my bell peppers and onions are just about softened. And what I did is I hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, that is totally optional and up to you guys, whatever seasoning that you want to put in here. And then I have a 4-ounce jar of pimentos that I'm just going to put right in here, just like this. And you don't want these to cook when your onions and bell peppers are sauteing. We want to add that in. It's going to make this dish so colorful, tasteful, beautiful. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to add 2 cans of mushroom soup. You can use the low sodium soup if you wish. That's, like I say, this is all up to you guys, how you want to do this, to adjust it to your taste and adjust it to your dietary needs. So I'm going to put this in just like this and still leave your burner on, okay? We're going to let it cook in just for a little bit with the vegetables here. We're going to stir it up and make it so yummy and beautiful. This dish is going to be a hit at your house. I just know it. What we're going to do now is I'm going to put my chicken down in here. And we're going to get that all incorporated with our soup mixture. Okay, so we're going to check these noodles. They are perfect. This is the way you'll want to do your noodles every single time. They won't be mushy. They won't stick together. They'll be perfect every time if you will boil your water first, turn your water off, and then put your noodles in and just put the lid on. It's that easy. Okay, I have my noodles all drained. Also, here is this yummy chicken spaghetti that we are going to put with these noodles. So what you're going to need is a 13x9 baking dish. I'm just going to drop my noodles in just like this. Get them all out. Spread them on your pan, and you do not have to do any kind of cooking oil with this because of the butter in this mixture here. Then you're going to pour your mixture in with your noodles, just like this. And we're going to give it a little stir, kind of stir it all together. Okay, I've got this all stirred together, and look how beautiful those pimentos and bell peppers look in this dish. Now what we're going to do next is you can use any cheese that you prefer. If you want American cheese, great. I choose to use Velveeta with mine. I know some people don't care for pasteurized cheese, but we do at our house, and so what I'm going to do is just cut up little chunks and put on the top of this and let this cheese melt into the spaghetti. Okay, so I have my spaghetti topped with my cheese, and what we're going to do now is we are going to bake this dish at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes until this cheese is all bubbly and melted on top. And then while it's cooking, don't forget to hit my like, subscribe, and share button. I love hearing from everybody. You guys are fantastic. So let's put this in the oven and get it started. And I can't wait to show you what it looks like when we get back. Okay, you guys, this dish is out of the oven. Look how beautiful it is. It even smells so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this and let me know in the comments if you do, and let me know how you like it. But I've let it set, but oh, look at it steaming. Oh my goodness. It's so creamy, yummy, beautiful with all the bell peppers and the pimentos in there. This is what it looks like, and I hope you go share the love. Tell somebody that you love them today, and join me again. I can't wait for you to come back. Love you guys. Enjoy.